Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's unpack on Senzo Meyiwa's case that has been ongoing. Kungena direction etheni, you know. Advocate Charles Mnisi, guys, legal experts now are busy. They're not saying much about Urata. But is not saying much. He is not serious, is unethical. And it's unacceptable ukuthi ungahlala 2 months ungakwazi ukufunda 40,000 pages. What have you been doing? Hey, mina ngazi guys, mina ngisame nomnisi. How is it unethical? Some legal aspects was like it's unethical. Unethical. Hey, another legal expert went on to say this trend of attorneys, lawyers, or advocates, they just do whatever they want to do. Whenever it suits them, they take their time. I'm like, such big words. Guys, unethical. I'm mhlambe other words, guys. No, this is not right, guys.
So, guys, the whole thing, Mnisi not being criticized by like media as well now, legal experts are saying their own things. I'm just like, speaking in lab, what about Rata, guys? Urata, you know, who reprimands him and Paul and stuff like that. That guy said, I get it, he's a principal. But what's a principal in John Law? Who's not building anything? So people are saying advocacy ministry must make the application to remove Judge Rata, because remember, Usfiso Meyiwa did write to the Judges Association to remove Judge Rata from this trial, basically, because Judge Rata, guys, some like most of the time, I don't want to say sometimes, right? How Judge Rata spoke to Mnisi was really, really uncalled for, and he even said at some stage, you remember, also we should things like, we started the Black Lawyers Association, me, no Makambeni, no Museneke, we were the first ones. I even said to you guys, no Makambeni, wa retire Gudala as a lawyer in the 80s, what like Imali RAF co-building there. There's nothing that you're learning from that person. Black Lawyers Associations in Asgen in Daulap. But how is it helping anyone? When he said some things, how I brought the Black Lawyers Association story is because he said, yeah, yes, the lawyers zamanje, the black lawyers, come on, unethically and by mediocre, whatever they want to do. Who reprimanded him then? That's my question, and it's every time. Who just Ratayana? No one tells him off. The stuff that you say, there was also Mshololo is busy screaming that it's a tavern. What does that even mean? Who says those things, guys? I even said to you guys, does it look like Mshololo drinks to you? Mshololo doesn't even look like someone who drinks, even when some examples about taverns. I was just like, really, bruh? These are supposed to be your children. They're supposed to be looking up to you. You were a lawyer once, but this is how you speak? But when no one brings you. So people are like, nah, Judges Association, maybe busy. You're not JP. When is he going to be busy with that? This coming Tuesday. But again on this coming Tuesday, like I said, I see fire before this video. I said I see fire. It won't end well. Unless it's controlled on Tuesday by someone else. After that, the Black Lawyers Association was busy with him. But how can he say 2 months? 60,000 pages. Really, guys? And then when he said some things about yeah, my sources saw him at the corridors. What if it was JP? When Mshololo said, that's a lie, my lord. There's nothing like that. Gomez would never be in these corridors. Because she knew Gomez to your code. Didn't Gomez pass away the following day? He did. But now no one reprimands Urata, no one says anything, no one does anything. Urata he can do as he please. We are going to ngapha uPatricia benonjabulo yabakhumbula ababhizi nabo neyabe i-series uPatricia the mastermind. uPatricia uyamazi ka ngithi whistleblower, he's like on to Rata, he's also on to the state uBaloyi Benogininda and on to SAPS, telling what she knows about them and the shenanigans that they've been doing for years without being reprimanded. Wasabona ukuthi lalela la awenzi kahle oBrigadier Gininda, for example. So they like bona, actually uPatricia Mashale on her own, she's written to IPD to say ukuthi hayibo abantu babhizi nibhizi nomkhwanazi nibhizi nabo bonke abantu, when are you going to be busy with the Senzo Meyiwa trial, the stuff that's happening there, the lies that are told there? Even the whole world knows about those lies, not just South Africans. Everyone knows ukuthi kunamanga amaningi lapho. Unjabulo was like, IPD is busy with people abangenzile lutho who are actually helping the justice system, but people who are doing stuff and lying in courts. Usho le Senzo Meyiwa case angithi ukuthi why are they not taken to IPD and be dealt with? Why are you dealing with stuff that's not even seen? In the tangible, people are lying in Senzo Meyiwa's court trial day, but bona why benga boniswa ukuthi okay, nansi justice system, this is what must happen to you. Ati mighty Brigadier Gininda was like, mighty? When? He could never be mighty, Lemondilo. The lies! I've never seen anyone who lies like Gininda. But Umukhani, especially Umukhani, ngiyambona ngoMukhali. Mukhani lied in court, but the IPD ayikho yakayenza ngalo. Gininda continues to lie in court, but there's nothing that you're doing to him. But you're busy with people who are like serious about life. Like I said, it's crazy when you work hard and when you are actually a hard worker of note, you are always looked at like, what's wrong with you? Why is it like that in life? But abantu abangekho right ba mighty. So unjabulo, obviously, I mean, uyamhleka uGininda, calling him the mighty Gininda. Yena ningane zakhe akayi reprimand zinamanga ngoba nizifunda kuyena those lies. uPatricia Mashale, all she's doing is to expose all the lies. Yakhumbula ngithi uZungu nobaba ku Absalomo, who continues to say we were sitting with them. Uzungu was even drinking with them. Guys, are you like us right now? We must believe those things. Was drinking with them at Basotho hostel, the same hostel abathi these 5 accused asikaze sifike lapho. Instead 3 of us, it's actually 3, 4 and 5 accused, they went to Katlehong hostel when ubhizi kodwa forcing this Basotho hostel down their throats and say good day. So uthi ke ubhalele eIPD uPatricia Mashale wathi ke ngibatshele eIPD ngathi ngicela nibe busy noZungu nje basabaleka waye Cape Town sebenza khona phela manje, and I also want you to be busy with Brigadier Gininda. Singaphela sina amanga sokusibukela. There's nothing that's done in South Africa about these people. Those 5 accused are not even supposed to be sitting on the dock. Labo bantu fanele ngabe basekhaya or fanele ngabe bajezele ezinye izono zabo, not the Senzo Meyiwa's case. They have nothing to do with that case at all. So uZungu plus ubaba ku Absalomo abaclaima ukuthi, remember I said ukuthi balola izimpu zabo labantu zaNongoma, kodwa these two, the son and the father, the Zungus, lied to court. The whole SAPS employee lied in court, but it's good, right? No Mukhani, by Kamela Jamanga, it's fine. Really, guys? I'll go right. So uPatricia Mashale told IPD unezinto unama WhatsApp unayonke with the director of IPD. She's like, I've been busy with the person and I've been busy writing to him and telling him when I investigate about investigator in life who lied and got knows business with people that didn't do anything. Oh, what's going on there? So she's like, I ain't ashamed, she's still gonna expose people. She's not even playing. For now, we're still gonna continue obviously nama expose. Okay. Sisters, I'm just like I used to shame. This is why Bembiza Ufie F something. You understand that I fear Luto. He's not scared of anybody. Naye baba emgqekezele endlini kusho sebeyazi sefase yakhe wabaleka. Bamfuna naye phela abantu. And she's like, I can even tell you names of the people that are looking for me. Bangifuna abantu bangifuna ngihambile. Nje ngiyabazi bangikhona mina ngebazi bangenze next. So kwambala no BC ubheka icele. Wathi loloyo oyingijimisa engigijimisa ngabantu bakhe aba-underground. I was like, I don't care. Because ngithola uzongithatha. Usebahamba-ke nakuleyo safe house. So kwesime kancane guys lapho. But nje isenzo meya case guys needs serious help. If it means no therefore bake baxoshwe emakhotha. Kumele ushifi mawumele ethi get out of my court. I was just like now uthengiwe wena ne-brown envelope phakathi inside. Bamkhipha kabuhlungu kanjani? Or how did it end? Ukungizwe mina my line every time. It won't end well with senzo meya case. Mark my words. Ngicina lapho for now. Thank you so much guys for always supporting me. Love guys is just beyond me. I appreciate you so much. Ngithanda over.